Hi everyone, this is Indira here, and today I am going to show you how to make these danglers using acetate. So we are taking a few stamp sets from Mudra and I have a piece of acetate here. I am going to start by treating it with some baby powder, and I am using my normal makeup brush to apply the powder on the acetate. This will remove all the static and the grease from the acetate, and then I will stamp using my embossing tool. I am going to emboss using VersaFine Onyx black ink so that I get a nice clear impression. And you have to be very careful while stamping on acetate because the surface is very smooth and it can easily be smudged. So the stamping tool helps to get a nice image. Then I am going to heat emboss it using clear embossing powder, and I'm going to heat set it using heat gun. So this is how the image will look once it is stamped. I have stamped 3 images over here, and I'm going to show you how to color this intricate butterfly for today's tutorial. Yes, you read it right. We are going to use nail polish to color instead of inks. So you can use any kind of nail polish like glitter nail polish, silver, white, or any dark colors, light colors that you wish to. I'm going to use these colors. And let me just clean up the image using a wet wipe since it has some powder on it. I'm going to start coloring from the back side so that even if it is not too neat, it will not show up in the front. Here's an example which I have done earlier, and I have colored it from the back side. This is how it will look from the front. So let's get started with it. I'm going to pick up one color and then use it to color different areas of the image. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to just drop the paint at the area and then spread it around. While coloring with nail polish, you will not get a very clean coloring because the brush is not very fine. So the idea is just to get the color show up in the front. So we just have to color the design from the back side. I absolutely loved coloring using nail polish, and I ended up making 4 danglers. I initially intended to make only one for my DT post, but I enjoyed it so much that I ended up making 4, and I'm going to use them to make different things. So here you can see how it looks from the front. This is the way I am going to color the entire image, and now I'm going to speed up the video further so that you can just watch me color. The coloring is complete now, and this is how the image looked from the front. It's completely dry. I left it for a few hours to dry, and now I'm going to fussy cut it. Now that the fussy cutting is complete, I am going to punch a hole below the butterfly. I left a little area of the acetate there so that I can punch a hole there without spoiling the image. I'm going to punch a hole through this small flower also, so that I can attach both the pieces together with the thread, and I'm going to tie a knot to secure it. I also have a tassel over here which I have made using normal embroidery thread. I've made using this blue color by wrapping it around a piece of tag and then securing it. So this I am going to attach at the bottom of the flower. I've also attached the same string at the top of the butterfly so that we can hang it using that, or we can use it as a bookmark. I'm using glossy accents to secure these threads well, and this step completes the danglers. These are a few examples that I made. On this one I coated it with a silver glittery nail polish, so it has a nice shimmer on it. It can be used as a simpler dangler. The second one, which I have illustrated in the video, is made into a bookmark, so this is how it will look. The next one is inspired by a dream catcher, so it has a lot of sequins, beads and feathers, and also a colorful tassel that I made. And the last one is a key ring. So these are my 4 projects for today. I hope you had a good time as I had making and sharing these projects with you. Thanks a lot. See you again. Bye bye.